Rockford, Illinois, is a city that offers a unique blend of urban amenities and a welcoming, community-focused atmosphere. Known for its rich history and vibrant cultural scene, Rockford attracts families who value both safety and a strong sense of belonging. The city features a variety of neighborhoods that cater to different lifestyles, making it an appealing destination for those looking to settle down. With its abundance of parks, reputable schools, and family-friendly activities, Rockford stands out as a place where families can thrive. Its commitment to fostering safe and supportive communities further enhances its reputation as a great place to call home. When identifying the best and safest neighborhoods, several key factors are taken into account. Community atmosphere plays a vital role, as neighborhoods with active associations and engaged residents tend to foster a welcoming and supportive environment. Amenities such as parks, schools, and recreational facilities contribute to the overall quality of life, making daily living more convenient and enjoyable for families. Additionally, crime rates are carefully evaluated to ensure that residents can feel secure in their homes and surroundings. By considering these elements together, it becomes possible to highlight neighborhoods that offer both safety and a high standard of living. Rolling Green stands out as one of Rockford's most family-friendly neighborhoods. Known for its clean and quiet streets, the area offers a peaceful environment that appeals to residents seeking a safe place to raise children. The active Rolling Green Neighborhood Association plays a significant role in fostering a sense of community, regularly organizing meetings and initiatives to enhance the quality of life. Families also benefit from the neighborhood's close proximity to Harmon Park, providing easy access to outdoor recreation and green spaces. With its blend of affordability, community spirit, and convenient amenities, Rolling Green is an excellent choice for families looking to settle in Rockford. Edgebrook is a neighborhood that stands out for its picturesque tree-lined streets and beautifully maintained parks. Residents enjoy a peaceful environment, thanks in part to the area's notably low crime rate. The community here is close-knit, with neighbors often coming together for local events and activities. Architectural variety adds charm to the neighborhood, offering a blend of classic and modern homes. Families are drawn to Edgebrook for its welcoming atmosphere and the sense of safety it provides. This combination of natural beauty, security, and strong community bonds makes Edgebrook a highly desirable place to live. Cherry Valley offers families a tranquil suburban lifestyle characterized by quiet streets and a strong sense of community. The area is well regarded for its excellent schools, making it a popular choice for parents seeking quality education for their children. Residents enjoy the peace and safety of a smaller community while still benefiting from convenient access to Rockford's shopping, dining, and entertainment options. Cherry Valley's location just outside the city limits provides a balance between rural charm and urban convenience. Its proximity to major highways also makes commuting to and from Rockford straightforward and efficient. Loves Park is a popular choice for families seeking a safe and welcoming environment just north of Rockford. The neighborhood offers a diverse range of housing options, from single-family homes to apartment complexes, accommodating various needs and budgets. Residents enjoy a strong sense of community, fostered by local events and active neighborhood groups. Safety is a top priority here, contributing to the area's reputation as a secure place to live. Families benefit from numerous parks and recreational facilities, providing ample opportunities for outdoor activities and social gatherings. With its blend of amenities and community spirit, Loves Park stands out as an ideal setting for families to thrive. East Rockford offers a unique combination of suburban comfort and urban convenience. Residents enjoy access to numerous parks and scenic hiking trails, making it an appealing choice for those who appreciate outdoor activities. The neighborhood is also home to a wide variety of shopping centers and dining establishments, providing plenty of options for entertainment and daily needs. This blend of green spaces and vibrant amenities creates a balanced lifestyle for families and individuals alike. East Rockford's diverse offerings make it a standout area within the city, catering to a range of interests and preferences. Each of the featured neighborhoods in Rockford offers distinct advantages for families seeking a safe and welcoming environment. Rolling Green stands out for its active neighborhood association and quiet, community-oriented atmosphere, making it ideal for those who value close-knit connections. Edgebrook impresses with its tree-lined streets and well-maintained parks, providing a peaceful setting with a strong sense of security. Cherry Valley appeals to families looking for excellent schools and a suburban lifestyle, while still enjoying convenient access to city amenities. Loves Park is known for its variety of housing options and abundance of recreational facilities, catering to families with diverse needs. East Rockford combines suburban comfort with urban conveniences, offering ample outdoor spaces and a range of shopping and dining choices. Together, these neighborhoods present a range of options, each with unique strengths tailored to different family preferences. These 5 neighborhoods, Rolling Green, Edgebrook, Cherry Valley, Loves Park, and East Rockford, distinguish themselves as the best and safest choices for families in Rockford, Illinois. Each area offers a unique blend of strong community spirit, low crime rates, and access to quality amenities such as parks, schools, and recreational facilities. Their well-maintained environments and active neighborhood associations foster a welcoming atmosphere for residents. Whether families are seeking suburban tranquility, convenient commuting options, or vibrant community engagement, these neighborhoods provide a range of appealing features. Collectively, they represent the ideal balance of safety, comfort, and family-friendly living in the Rockford area.